Hello, my name is Philip and this is Uwe.
Hello.
And today we're going to look at Module 2 of the Boost Your Business program, which is customer acquisition. Okay, Uwe, what is the importance, what is the true value of customer acquisition?
According to our experience in sales, customer acquisition or the acquisition of new customers has a very high significance. There's one reason for it, and that would be the churn rate, constant churn rate in most companies.
Okay, churn rate, could you define that please?
Churn rate, very simple. Customers stop buying from you. Customers are no longer satisfied and buy from competition, or they're simply won over by a competition.
Yeah.
So you lose customers from your customer base constantly.
Okay, so what channels are available
for customer acquisition?
Yes.
Well, there are quite a number of channels like the email, the mailing, the letter, the cold calls, and social media, not to forget, which has become more and more important over the last couple of years.
Of course. And in your own opinion, what would you say is the most successful channel?
Well, it depends. From our experience, it's more like a mix of these channels, like supported with social media and mailings and everything. And so the challenge would be to find out which mix would work best for your industry and for your target customers.
Yeah. But obviously this is going to be more of a challenge in a foreign language.
Yes, exactly. By the way, customer acquisition is very often neglected by salespeople because it's a challenge. You have to talk to people, to strangers, people you've never talked to before, and then do this in the foreign language as well. And this is very challenging.
Yeah, it's not easy.
Yeah, no, not at all.
So how can a salesperson improve these skills or learn these skills or deepen these skills to help them?
Well, first of all, salespersons need to develop confidence, more confidence in communicating in a foreign language, English in this case. And second, find out about the appropriate mix of channels to address new customers. And well, by the way, they can do it in our program.
Yeah, correct. That would be the next step for them.
Okay, exactly.
To get into contact with us.
Right.
Organize a meeting and take part in one of our Boost Your Business programs. Okay, so how could they do that?
Well, all the information they will find at the end of this video.
Yep.
So contact us.
Yep.
And get in touch.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, sounds good. Thanks for watching. Okay, thanks again, Uwe.
Thank you.
And have a look at our next video, which is all about the buy-in center. So thanks for watching and bye.
Bye.